Hello children, in this video we will cover chapter 2 of your GK, that is India, our country. In this lesson we will learn across Bharat Ratna and other awards. The Bharat Ratna is the highest and the most respected civilian award in the Democratic Republic of India. This is awarded to recognize exceptional service or performance of the highest order. Generally, this award is given by the President of India to the winners. So let's complete the crossword with the help of the given clues. In this crossword, we are given with across and down. First, we will go for the across crossword with the help of the clue. First question is, who won Nobel Prize for Economics in 1998? The clue given for this question is 7-3, which means the answer for this question comprises of the first word constituting 7 letters and the second word comprising 3 letters. So, the personality who won Nobel Prize for Economics will be Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen taught economics at several universities in India, England, United States, Jadavpur University and also in Delhi. Let's move on to question number 5. A respected physician and freedom fighter who also served as the Chief Minister of Bengal for 14 years. Answer to this question will be B.C. Roy, renowned as Bidhan Chandra Roy, who was an Indian physician, educationist, philanthropist, freedom fighter and statesman who served as the Chief Minister of West Bengal from 1948 until his death in 1962. Let's move on to question number 9. Architect of Indian Constitution. So, answer to this question will be Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. In the crossword, across you have to write only Ambedkar according to the given clue. But it is B.R. Ambedkar, popularly known as Baba Saheb, who was the chief architect of Indian Constitution. Let's move on to question number 10. A famous sitarist who set the music for Sare Jahan Se Acha. Answer to this question will be Ravi Shankar. His full name was Pandit Ravi Shankar, and while working in Mumbai with Indian People's Theatre Association, he set the music for Sare Jahan Se Acha. Let's move on to down crossword. Question number 1 is, with first name as Nelson, he is a person who fought against apartheid. So, what is apartheid? Apartheid was a political and social system in South Africa during the era of white minority rule. According to this system, people were enforced racially and they were discriminated against non-whites. So it mainly focused on skin color and facial features. So Nelson Mandela was a person who fought against apartheid. Answer in the crossword to be written will be Mandela. Question number 2. A former president of India whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day. So we all know very well that 5th September every year is celebrated as Teachers' Day. But basically it is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and from his name only, the tradition started in 1962 in the honor of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and also Teachers' Day across the country. Next question will be, youngest Prime Minister of India who was also a pilot. To this the answer will be Rajiv Gandhi. He was the youngest Prime Minister and also he was a renowned pilot. Question number 6. Who was been awarded Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930? To this the answer will be, in 1930, C.V. Raman was awarded to the Indian scientist for his work on scattering of light and for the discovery of effect named after him. So, this will be C.V. Raman. Question number 7. First to receive commercial pilot's license and a legendary businessman. Answer to this question will be J.R.D. Tata. J.R.D. Tata, as on 10th February 1920, he has also number 1 printed on his license as well, and he was the first to receive commercial pilot's license, and also he was renowned as a legendary businessman. Also, J.R.D. Tata is known as the father of Indian civil aviation. Question number 8 and the last question is, who was known as Gandhi of the South, also awarded Bharat Ratna in 1976? Answer to this will be K. Kamaraj. K. Kamaraj was awarded Bharat Ratna and he also served as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. So now we are in the position to fill up all the boxes given in the crossword across and down. Number 3 will be Amartya Sen. Number 5 will be B.C. Roy. 9th will be Ambedkar. 10th Ravi Shankar. Number 1 in down crossword will be Mandela. Number 2 will be Radhakrishnan. 4th number in down crossword will be Rajiv Gandhi. Number 6 will be C.V. Raman. 7 will be J.R.D. Tata. And 8th will be K. Kamaraj. So, with this we have completed this chapter. I hope you understood how to fill this crossword and try to learn the answers also. See you all in the next video with the next chapter. Thank you.